Have you ever sent a message, watched it get delivered, maybe even seen, and then nothing? No reply, no respect, just silence like you don't exist. That feeling hits hard, doesn't it? Your chest tightens, your mind races. You start asking yourself questions you should never ask. Did I say something wrong? Did I lose my value? Why are they ignoring me? Stop right there. Listen carefully. The moment you start chasing someone's attention, you hand them your power. And the moment you react emotionally, you lose control of yourself. But today that ends. Today you learn something most people never understand. Silence is not weakness. Silence is authority. Silence is strength. Silence is psychological power. When you don't react, you confuse them. When you don't chase, you rise above them. When you stay calm, you win without fighting. The Stoics knew this thousands of years ago. Epictetus said, "No man is free who is not master of himself." If someone ignoring you can control your emotions, then they own you. But if you stay steady, unmoved, untouchable, then you own yourself. And that is real freedom. So this video will teach you exactly how to stop reacting, how to rebuild your confidence, and how to make your presence so powerful that people feel your absence, not by begging, not by explaining, but by silent strength. And before we start, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. My silence is my power. Number 1. Stop chasing. Cut off the urge to prove yourself. Right now, I want you to face a hard truth. The more you chase someone who ignores you, the smaller you look. That extra text, that second call, that "Are you mad at me?" message. Every time you do that, you lower your value with your own hands. Stop it. Immediately. Do not send another paragraph trying to explain yourself. Do not double text. Do not stalk their social media. Do not beg for clarity. That behavior screams desperation, and desperation kills respect. You must understand this clearly. Attention given freely is respected. Attention chased is rejected. The Stoic emperor Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. You cannot control their response, but you can control your reaction. So command yourself. When the urge to reach out hits you, pause, put the phone down, take a breath, walk away. Train your mind like a warrior. Every time you resist reacting, you build in a muscle. Every time you stay calm, you strengthen your dignity. Think about it. Why should you prove your worth to someone who cannot even offer basic respect? You are not an option. You are not a backup plan. You are not entertainment for bored people. You are a person with value, and valuable things do not beg to be chosen. They are chosen naturally. When you stop chasing, something powerful happens. You shift the energy. Suddenly they feel the space. Suddenly they wonder why you disappeared. Suddenly they question themselves. But here's the key. You're not doing this to manipulate them. You're doing this to protect your self-respect. Because self-respect is everything. Without it, love means nothing. Stand still, say less, move less, let them feel the silence. Number 2. Control your emotions before they control you. Listen carefully, because this is where most people lose the battle. Not outside, not with other people, inside, in their own mind. The moment someone ignores you, your emotions explode, your heart starts racing, your thoughts turn negative, you feel rejected, angry, anxious, maybe even worthless. And without thinking, you react, you text, you call, you over-explain, you try to force a response. That is not strength. That is emotional slavery. If someone else can disturb your peace that easily, they own your mood. And you must never give anyone that kind of power. You must become unshakable. You must become calm like stone. This is where Stoic discipline comes in. Seneca said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most of the pain you feel is not even real. It is stories you are creating in your head. Maybe they hate me. Maybe I'm not important. Maybe I did something wrong. Stop. These thoughts are poison. You are hurting yourself without evidence. Command your mind to slow down. Breathe deep. Observe the feeling without acting on it. Do not let emotion push you into foolish behavior. A strong person feels everything but reacts to nothing. That is mastery. When you stay calm, you confuse people. They expect drama. Give them stillness. They expect panic. Give them composure. They expect noise. Give them silence. That control makes you dangerous in the best way. It shows you cannot be manipulated. Practice this daily. Pause before every action. Count to 10. Walk away from the phone. Train patience like a muscle, because emotional control is real power. And right now, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. My emotions obey me, not the other way around. Number 3. Become so focused on your life that their absence means nothing. Here is the truth most people avoid hearing. You are not hurting because they ignored you. You are hurting because your world became too centered around them. When one person becomes your main source of happiness, their silence feels like starvation. That is not love, that is dependency, and dependency steals your strength. So today you must shift your focus back where it belongs, on yourself, on your growth, on your mission. Stop sitting around waiting for a notification. Stop checking your phone every 5 minutes. Stop replaying old conversations in your head. That is wasted life. Your time is priceless. Every second spent worrying about someone who shows no effort is a second stolen from your future. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one, so be one. Get up earlier. Train your body. Read books. Learn skills. Build income. Fix your habits. Strengthen your mind. Fill your day so completely with purpose that you don't even notice who didn't text back." When you are busy building yourself, you naturally detach, and detachment creates power, because now you don't need anyone's attention to feel whole. You become self-sufficient, independent, grounded, iron-minded, and here's the funny part. When people see you moving forward without them, they suddenly feel your absence. They start wondering. They start missing you, not because you chased them, but because you outgrew them. That is how you win without saying a word. So stop staring at the screen. Start building your life. Move, act, grow. Number 4. Stop chasing closure and let actions reveal the truth. Let me speak to you directly and firmly right now. One of the biggest traps you fall into when someone ignores you is this desperate need for answers. You want closure. You want an explanation. You want them to tell you why they changed, why they disappeared, why they act cold, so you start chasing conversations that never happen. You rehearse speeches in your head. You plan long messages. You hope for one honest reply that will finally calm your heart. But listen carefully. When someone truly values you, you never need to beg for clarity. Their behavior is already clear. Silence is an answer. Distance is an answer. Lack of effort is an answer. Stop pretending you need more proof. Epictetus said, "First learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak." In other words, look at reality, not your wishes. Do not argue with facts. If they cared, they would show up. If they respected you, they would communicate. Actions never lie. Words often do. So stop chasing explanations from people who already revealed their priorities through neglect. Every time you run after closure, you lower your worth. You look like you need their approval to move on. You don't. You create your own closure by walking away with dignity, by saying nothing, by choosing peace over drama. That is strength. That is self-respect. Turn your back and let life sort it out. The right people will stay. The wrong ones will fade. No speech required. No begging required. Command yourself to accept what is shown, not what is promised. Now I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments right now. I trust actions, not excuses. Number 5. Protect your time like it is gold, because it is your life. Understand this with absolute clarity. Your time is not just minutes on a clock. Your time is your life itself. Every hour you give away is a piece of your existence that you will never get back. So why are you handing it to people who ignore you, delay you, or treat you like an option? Why are you waiting around for someone who cannot even give you basic respect? That is not kindness. That is self-betrayal. You must become ruthless about where your energy goes. Not cold, not bitter, but disciplined. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." Read that again. Life is short, so act like it matters. Stop staring at old chats. Stop refreshing social media to see if they watched your story. Stop planning your day around someone else's attention. That behavior drains you. Instead, schedule your day with purpose. Fill it with training, learning, creating, building, connecting with people who show up for you. Guard your hours like a warrior guards a gate. If someone cannot value your presence, they do not get access to your calendar, period. When you protect your time, you automatically raise your standards. And when your standards rise, low-effort people disappear. That is not loss, that is freedom. You don't chase, you don't beg. You invest only where you are respected. Command yourself to treat your time like treasure, because once it's gone forever. Number 6, master your emotions so no one can control you. Listen carefully, because this is where true power is built. Not in muscles, not in money, not in status. Real strength is emotional control. The moment someone ignores you and you panic, overthink, or react impulsively, you hand them control over your mind. You give them the remote to your peace. And that is dangerous. That means they can disturb you anytime they want without even trying. That is not freedom, that is slavery to feelings. Stoic philosophy teaches something sharper and stronger. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." This means their silence is neutral. It has no power by itself. The suffering begins only when you create stories in your head, when you assume rejection, when you imagine the worst, when you let your heart race and your thoughts spiral. Stop doing that. Take command. Breathe slow. Step back. Observe your emotions like a scientist. Don't drown in them. Control them. Train yourself to pause before reacting. No angry texts. No desperate calls. No emotional speeches. Stillness is dominance. Calmness is authority. When you stay composed, you send one clear message to the world. Nothing shakes me. That level of composure confuses people. They expect drama. You give them silence. They expect begging. You give them dignity. That's how you win. Practice daily discipline. Meditate, exercise, journal. Strengthen your inner world so no external behavior can disturb you. Become unbothered. Become steady. Become untouchable. And right now, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. I control my emotions. Nothing controls me. Number 7. Raise your standards so high that disrespect cannot enter your life. Now it is time to get serious with yourself. Most people don't get ignored because they are not enough. They get ignored because they tolerate behavior they should never accept. You teach others how to treat you by what you allow. If you accept crumbs, you will be fed crumbs. If you accept excuses, you will be given more excuses. So stop blaming others and take responsibility. Raise your standards immediately. Decide what you will no longer tolerate. Late replies without reason, half effort, mixed signals, broken promises, emotional games. Cut it off. No debates, no explanations, just walk away. Seneca said, associate with people who are likely to improve you. That means your circle must add value, not confusion. Stop keeping people around just because you feel lonely. Loneliness is temporary. Disrespect damages your self-worth. Choose your peace over company. When your standards rise, something powerful happens. Weak connections fall away naturally, and that is not rejection. That is filtering. Think of yourself as a high mountain. Not everyone has the strength to climb. Only those who truly value you will make the effort. Everyone else will quit. Let them quit. You are not lowering yourself for anyone. Demand consistency, demand honesty, demand effort. And if someone cannot meet that level, they lose access to you. No anger, no drama, just firm boundaries. That is how leaders live. That is how strong people move. Decide today that you will never beg for attention again. And right now, I want you to drop this affirmation in the comments. My standards are high, and only the right people stay. Number 8. Focus on becoming so strong that their absence becomes irrelevant. This is the final shift, and it is the most powerful one of all. Stop trying to make them regret losing you. Stop hoping they notice your silence. Stop secretly wishing they come back and apologize. That mindset still keeps your life centered around them. And the truth is simple and brutal. The moment your happiness depends on someone else's reaction, you are still trapped. Break that chain. Your mission is not to impress them. Your mission is to outgrow them. Pour every ounce of energy into yourself. Build your body. Sharpen your skills. Read more. Learn more. Earn more. Travel. Create. Level up so aggressively that you don't even have time to wonder who ignored you. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be one." So stop talking, stop explaining, stop proving. Just become. Become disciplined, become focused, become unstoppable. When you are busy building a powerful life, their absence turns small and meaningless. They fade into the background like noise you no longer hear. That is true freedom, not revenge, not validation, independence. When you reach this state, you don't need closure, you don't need texts, you don't need anyone to choose you, because you already chose yourself. And that energy is magnetic. People respect what does not chase them. So stand tall, move forward, grow daily. Let your success speak louder than any words ever could. Let me leave you with this, and really hear me when I say it. You were never rejected because you were not enough. You were redirected because you were meant for better. Sometimes people walk away not to break you, but to reveal your strength. Their silence, their distance, their ignoring you, it was never your loss. It was their mistake. And now you understand the truth. You don't chase, you don't beg, you don't react. You stay calm, you stay focused, you stay silent. Because silence is power. Silence is control. Silence is self-respect. The Stoics taught that your peace comes from within, not from other people's approval. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters." So choose your reaction wisely. Choose dignity. Choose discipline. Choose growth. From today, protect your time like treasure. Protect your energy like gold. And protect your heart like a warrior guards his shield. Let them wonder. Let them miss you. Let them realize what they lost. Meanwhile, you keep building, improving, rising. If this message lit a fire inside you, don't let it fade. Take action today. Practice these steps, and if you want more strength like this every week, hit subscribe and join this journey. Now drop this final affirmation in the comments. My silence is my strength, and I never chase what leaves.